been running a lot of workshops and attended quite a few speaking events recently, and we've been getting some great questions in the Q&A sessions for the workshops. And I had a great question. I'm going to share a few of these over the next coming videos, but I had a great question the other day, and it was, can I be too emotionally intelligent? It's a great question. If you have researched emotional intelligence, if you understand what emotional intelligence is, you can see where the question's coming from. When I ask, what prompts you to ask that question? The person said, well, I just feel like when I'm in interactions with my team, I just feel like I get too emotionally involved, and that sense of kind of connection sometimes makes me feel bad in different situations. I struggle then to have difficult conversations and hold the person accountable. And that's so you can understand the dynamic. Am I being too emotionally intelligent? Well, when you understand the emotional intelligence model, you recognize that you can't be too emotionally intelligent. What you can do is overplay certain parts of the emotional intelligence model and underdevelop others. So there are 4 components to it. There is self-awareness and social awareness, how aware I am of myself and how aware I am of the impact on other people. But then there's also self-management and relationship management. And we have to develop all 4 of those different components. So if I'm highly aware of how I'm feeling, highly aware of how other people are feeling, but I'm not managing myself or managing the relationship and communication with other people, then I'm going to feel emotionally exposed. But it's as I learn to manage my own perception, responses, behavior, feelings, as I start to manage myself more effectively, and then I start to manage interactions with other people, where I'm able to hold silence, hold accountability, ask questions, not feel as if I just have to talk or give way at any point, then I start to master all 4 areas of emotional intelligence, and no longer do I feel exposed. So the answer is no. It's not possible to be too emotionally intelligent, but it is possible to perhaps develop some areas more than others. And if you don't get that balance across all four quadrants of emotional intelligence, then you are going to feel as if you have something missing. I hope that's useful. I'd love to hear, what's your experience of developing your emotional intelligence, and what impact does that make on your business, your team? Look forward to hearing from you.